Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's me, Shady Shay, and before we get started with today's wig install, I do want to thank Isee Hair for sponsoring today's video. So let's get started with the contents that Isee Hair provided in the packaging that they sent me. First, let's just start off by saying that the packaging was amazing. Inside the packaging, they did send me a pretty pink bonnet. They also included 2 wig caps, a pair, well, not a pair of lashes, a box of lashes. They sent me an Isee Hair brochure, and then they also included an envelope with accessories in it. So those accessories included combs for your wig as well as an adjustable band. They did send me an additional wig cap. This is their M cap. This just shows how snug this wig is going to fit to my head. Now they did send me their 24-inch ocean wave hair. Look at those waves in their hair. Too cute. This wig did include 2 combs on the side, an adjustable band, as well as a comb in the back. So let's go ahead and get started with the install. And by the way, this is a 9x6 lace wig. All right, now it's time to go ahead and get started with the install. Look at how bouncy that hair is. So I wanted to show you guys up close and personal how tiny the knots are. With this M cap wig, I love the way it's constructed. You really don't have to put any makeup on the wig, on the lace, because the knots are really invisible. But you know, just so it can blend a little bit better with my skin, I did go in with my face powder and I went ahead and coated the entire lace. And I don't know if I mentioned it, but this lace is a 9x6. So it's a large lace area. So you're able to do a middle part, a side part, whatever kind of part, zigzag part. You're able to do whatever you want to do with this lace because it's so large, which I absolutely love that. I also love the fact that this wig did come with removable combs, because sometimes I don't like combs digging into my scalp all the time. So I thought that was really neat how their wigs come with removable combs. So this is me applying the wig. Look already, it looks really good. Now just bear with me, I'm gonna adjust it. This is their M cap wig, so I love the fact that it has a perfect hairline and there's no need for baby edges. But most importantly, I love how the wig already has the ears cut out for you, so I don't have to worry about the wig kind of sitting on my ears causing me to have a headache. Like, it's already fit to your head. I don't know if it's like a universal fit, I don't know, but it literally, when I applied this wig onto my head, it fit perfectly. And so I went ahead and went in with my face powder and tried to blend just the edges of the wig in a little bit more with my skin tone. There's no need for glue with this wig. This wig is ready to go straight out the box. No lie, straight out the box. And I'm just giving y'all a 360 of what the hair looks like. I'm giving y'all another close-up of what the wig looked like up and close. So I was going to go ahead and do the middle part, but then I was like, let me give y'all something a little different. I'm going to go ahead and do a side part, just to, you know, kind of spice things up here on this channel, because I don't think I've ever done like a side part before. So because this wig has such large lace space, like I said, you could do whatever you want with this wig. Side part, zigzag, bust down, all of that. And again, if ocean wave is not your cup of tea, they do have straight hair on their website. They have bobs, they have curly hair, they have any type of wig that you're looking for, any type of texture, any type of style that you're looking for. Isee Hair does have that on their website. So y'all definitely go to Isee Hair website and check out their wigs. So y'all, this is just me. I'm going in with a wax stick, so that I can kind of mold this hair, because it was already molded for a middle part. But since I went ahead and changed it to this side part, I'm just going to go ahead with that wax stick and take my hot comb and kind of shape it to be a side part. And again, I did not use any glue on this wig, so y'all may see the wig slipping back a little bit because I am, you know, messing with it. But once I finish hot combing it and combing it out and fixing it, baby, this wig ain't gonna move. It's literally, I don't know, it's like a hat. Like, it fits perfectly. But let me quit rambling and let y'all watch for a little bit. Everything you do, it's me love. So now I'm just combing the hair out. I do want to tell y'all that I did wear this hair on vacation to New York, and when I tell you I didn't have to worry about my hair at all the entire trip, literally I was able to put this wig on in the morning and take it off at night. Me personally, I don't sleep in my wigs, so that's very convenient for me. The wig did not bother me, did not cause any headaches. Like, I absolutely love it. So I do want to thank Isee Hair for sponsoring today's video. I'm going to go ahead and give you guys a 360 of this hair, and I will leave any discount codes as well as the information for this hair in the description box below. Until next time, guys, bye.